Salwanani Makaya Linjani. Okay, we are back again here on your favorite channel. Okay, so namhlanje ngilethele indaba engidayo lana. Okay, so Minister of Local Government and Public Works, Honorable Daniel Garrett, this afternoon issued a press statement on the proliferation of illegal vendors, particularly in the Central Business District and surroundings area, including cities, towns, and across the country. Okay, guys, yeah, the story is both-sided, ne? Okay, but inini guys inini ndinoda kutaura zvangu kuti hatisi kuramba kuti vanofanira kuita kuti mavhenda asangowanike kwese kwese kuti vakumentena order chichichika, but let's also put ourselves into their shoes. Guys, under a normal circumstance hakuna munhu anomboda kunoshanda on such an environment yekuti, do you know those guys? I used to watch some of the videos on some of the social media platforms. There is a time yekuti vanomboita time yekumhanyiswa, guys. I'm sure that we all know this. In CPD miyami vanomboitwa time yekuti wese muvhenda anenge ari paranzo nezvinhu zvekuti vanotombotengesa vane kamwe kafie keke kekuti anytime vanhu vanosvika. So guys, do you think kuti munhu chaiye chaiye hatori bhobho angade kunoshandira panhu pakadaro? But situation ndo inovatuma those guys. So Honorable Daniel Garrett, hatisi kuramba kuti vanofanira kupressa the statement, the what and but vanofanirawo kutarisa saidi ravo vanhu ava. Kana vachida kuti mavhenda adzingwe, yes, mavhenda I know kuti akadzingwa mundono munoita order, you know, everything will be like okay, and yeah, order yacho inenge yamaintainwa, but ngavachaitirwa plan lavantu kwamele vanikwe indau yavazokwazi kuti vatengesere izinto zavo kuyo, ngoba vazophila kanjani ngoba imisebenzi ayikho ezimu. And vele lelo iqiniso guys ukuthi imisebenzi ayikho, imisebenzi ayitholakali. Even those who are also learned, they are not going to work because umsebenzi uscarce ezimu, we all know that. So yeah, labantu kwamele vanikwe labo indawo, even some of the projects to start, because it's not going to succeed ukuthi vazame ukuxosha amavenda wonke kuma-CBDs and towns everywhere if these guys, they are not also being supported. They need to support the vendors, and the only way to support these guys is to maybe provide a place or maybe a supermarket where they will be able to also sell their products, or maybe because that's their only way to earn a living, to be honest. That's their only way source of income. So yeah, that's the main point here. That's the main point, because these guys, they also have families, guys. They also have a life, you know, they need to take care of themselves. So if whenever I press some statements, after pressing the statement, then what's next? Are they going to provide the jobs for these vendors? No, they will just press the statements, and then these guys there won't be any way forward for them.